Hey, Crusader here today. Continuing our quest with cats. So that's obviously where we need to go, but I think we need some upgrades before we get there. So I think we're going to go explore down this way. Nice. So yeah, this is an area that's definitely probably too easy. Oh, a level 3 cave. Goodness. I should have been paying attention to this before I ever started running around, but that's okay. It's working. Go ahead and knock out some stuff you don't. I guess I'm taking some fire damage, but that's okay. Alright. The vest is leveled up. Oh yeah, don't do that. Oh, and another one. Level 2, even worse. That's alright, knocking this out real quick. But I thought I was going to have to circle all the way back around. Well, I guess I kind of had to. That's right, a couple extra steps ain't going to hurt us, right? I'm recording this as of a blizzard coming across like 38 states in our fair country, the United States of America. So this seemed like a great snow day game, so that's what we're doing. I guess I can't get to Monster Island, can I? Wonder how I'm going to get across the water. That'll be a future plan. So, I think I'll go to the left of that arrow up there. There's a cave with a question mark. We'll check that out next. And then we'll probably just start heading up that way. I was hoping to get a few more upgrades. But this area is too easy. And if that area is too hard, it's too hard. There's a loot cave, but I haven't been able to get the loot yet. Because I don't have it. Off-limit shoot. Yeah, whatever. What's in here? Oh, holy cow, they knocked me out fast. They got some tough gear, it looks like it. Oh wait, I can do something on there. What do I get? Alright, let's do that one. The King's Curse, huh? That could be a good old curse. Found a solution. Spirit orbs. Destroy these orbs. The curse will lose its power. Sounds like a plan. Leave it to us. Wonder where I'm headed here. Making sure it wasn't just taking me right where I was supposed to be going anyway. Yeah, we should be close to the orb. Is the orb going to appear? Why? It's a monster! The orb shatters and disappears. That's not what I wanted. One orb left. Alright, gotta get to it. Okay, around the cave. I think I've been around here. Oh, gotta go to the furry cave. Alright, let's see what happens. Almost level 16. Oh, I beat this game already. Lightning for you. Oh. Oh, man. Aha, lightning got him. Or, fire, not lightning. That was unexpected. I rolled the wrong way. I should have rolled away from it instead of into it. Oh, this one. Oh, I gotta redo the whole thing. Alright, let's fast forward. Got you guys almost dead. I want to finish you up. Not so bad. Alright, try again. There we go. Kitty power. Oh, that's right, man. Eat it. Aha. Eat it. Another for you. Nice. Go away. Okay. Level 17. Look at me go. Alright, full health. That'll be perfect for this last little bit. Alright, we're almost there. Oh, the orb shattered again. Go outside and see if anything's changed. I don't think so. I think we're in trouble. Okay, let's find out. Head mage, the spell's not broken. Alright. Oh, we get close to leveling up. Okay, it wants me to go up there. There's a save spot here, I think. Okay. Because this is a game where you will die. Like, I do appreciate that it's not just walk through and everything's, you know, boring, easy. There's enough challenge to make it interesting. Run if the monsters are too scary. I don't think so. One hit kill. Yikes. Maybe I'm not ready for that yet. Let's look at the old map here. You know, let's go over this way and see what we got to work on before we go up there, I think. The quest board, there we go. Alright. You pluck a strange charm off the board. What's the strange charm? Hello? Let's see that charm. Spiry flies around the charm curiously. It'll lead us to the caster. Okay. Yeah, darn right. Okay. Maybe this will give us a new power. Looks like a charm. Wait, I hear monsters. The music is really good. I like it. It's kind of like an old school RPG. You know, you're exploring and all that, but there's a little. It feels like there's a little bit more to it. It's fun. It's upbeat, medieval. Give me the charm. Don't let her have it. Throw it in the water. I think it will follow the charm. We have to find out who's behind this. Let's check out that town again next time. Okay, I really don't know what I got out of that, but I did level up, so that's cool. Alright, clearing some baddies, that's always good. Yeah, we're gonna go this way, I think. We'll take a look at that map again here in a minute. I've done 15, so this shouldn't be too bad. Okay, good start. Big boys. It definitely has more attack, but I lose a little bit of mana for it or whatever. I think that's okay. Increase the old attack. I think a good step in the right direction. A good paw. Alright, it's cleared. Oh, there's another thing on the board up there. I'm gonna take a look. Bermuda's triangle instead of the Bermuda triangle. Very clever. There's a note here. Someone help me. I'm the first house. Let's be quick. We'll get you out. This is the right direction. A little further up. Oh, too far to the left. Almost there. Oh. Coming through the cave. By defeating everything inside, of course. I don't know if I've done this cave yet. I might have, but it's... Oh, man. They freeze? Oh, it slows me down. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Trouble. Oh, yeah. You dig out the charm. Uh-oh, something's happening. The charm disappears. What in the world? The magic's gone. Let's get back. See if it worked. I don't even know what we did. The shield's gone. I'm free. Free. What? Which fluff butt did this? Ha! Alright, so it's all up our best. That's cool. our side quest done here to level up. Help me! Hear that push. Monsters. Oh, eat that. What a great answer. Name calling. I like it. There's no one here. Let's continue. I got full health, so I'm in pretty good shape. Yowza, hell! That's definitely real. Over there. Yeah, eat that. Alright, you're down. I wouldn't think little baddies would need some big attacks like that, but they sure did. Dragon Blood. Yes, I did know they get stronger the further north you go. There's those chunky monkeys over there. You're the one. I don't understand. You're kind. You helped those cats along the way. Why'd you help so evil? You're going down, kitty. A cat fight. Meow. Go fight that. Out of the way. Left me a good challenge. That one was just a bit more than I anticipated. Here we go again. Another attack! Oh, I thought that was. Oh, okay. Not this time. Alright, here we go again. Now you're in trouble, mister. Let us through, you evil mage kitty. Stop! I need to find Meowgun before he destroys everyone. Aren't you the evil one? I'm Yulin, said a Merlin clever. Buzzballs, how do we find him? I'll call for you again. Level 20. Alright, so we're stronger. Knock these guys out, they're worth a decent amount of experience. Uh-oh. tough ones. I wonder what level I need to be at to get there. Like, could I really be strategic and work my way through it? Possibly, maybe even probably. Touch yourself with healing paw. Yeah, I got a healing one now. Sweet. I'm gonna put it on the right trigger. That's a really good one. Yeah, let's upgrade the lightning. That's my strongest one anyway, might as well. We'll find out what kind of damage that does at 3. Sweet. Alright, I know, it's a tough land. Let's try it again. And now that we can heal, maybe this will work out. Oh, I pressed the heal one. I meant to hit the lightning first. My bad. Wow, I stayed on those spikes too long. Rule of thumb, don't stay on the spikes too long. Alright, let's try again. If I didn't, where would I go next anyway? You know, there's something, you know what? Let's just go over here first. Level 10. The Queen Resort, first day of Kitmas. Hey, it's worth a lot of gold. Something always goes wrong during Kitmas. We should help. Hoping to make a nice party for everyone. The presents. We'll find them for you. I see 2 trails. Choose wisely. That's a pile of snow. We need to find out where it's in the end. Nice. Following the piles of snow. Man, that lightning's powerful. Alright, well, we'll follow this one, I guess. Well, I can't get out there. Can I go around? Nope, sure can't. Okay, back around the other way. So it said choose wisely. I guess I chose poorly. Unfortunate. I thought I saw snow over here on the bank. Did I not? I must have missed it. Apparently I don't know anything. Okay, so I actually have to run into the pile of snow to get it to go this way or something? Weird. Well, now I don't have to. A ritual circle. Get ready, partner. Partner. I was not ready for that. Man. You're out. Got 15 health recovery. That's not too bad. Okay. generosity written on it. Gratitude. Family. Forgiveness. This one's blank. The circles are gone, but the presents are still missing. Let's head back first. There better not be 12 days of forgiveness. I will not be happy with this little... Dang it. This little side quest. God, cat it. Oh my gosh. Fisherman cow. Here's the reason. Not very helpful. That's okay. But we leveled up, so that's cool. So no more upgrade. Oh, there is this question. Oh, no, there isn't. Okay. So we're up to 21. We got a pretty powerful lightning spell now. I guess we'll go over this way for a minute. Level 20. Okay. That's a pretty good cave. What do you got to tell me? Baywatch. Soldier by day, lifeguard by night. That's me. Interesting. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, weird. Ah, there we go. That's weird how you can walk across. Oh, but I can't there, huh? How are you supposed to figure that out? More health, less damage. So right now, I'm not worried about that one. Interesting situation. No, we can't go that way. Can't go that way. I can go that way. That way. Lightning spell for the win. And moving up here. Oh yes. Oh. Level 5. Oh, I can't go that way. So how do I get to it? From up here, maybe? Yeah. Nope. Alright, clear. Oh, now I can't get there. Maybe I go this way. Oh. Just thought I'd check. No reason to block off a certain way, but it blocks off a certain way. At least it told me it was clear. That's good. 1,500 gold. Okay, well, let me save. We'll do that one, and I think we're going to call it a day. Did I save? Okay, I did. I kind of looked away when it happened, and then I didn't realize when it happened. Okay. Let's see what he's got to say. Cooking rivals. She started ignoring me when she thought of that recipe. It must be the cause. Guess we'll find out when the supplier is. Mark them out. Choose which one. One of those situations where we gotta pick the right place. Make sure you buy some gear, but we don't know what it's gonna be. And for random, no, okay. Level 25. Okay, interesting. Run away. No one's here. Right, a lot of damage dealt that time. Love it. I see a bandit with a supply chest. Get him! East Pot. You better not run. Yeah, I'm not gonna say that. That's too close to it. It's amusing. I will say that. Where's the chest? He must have thrown the chest in the water. Well, go get it, you scaredy cat. I know cats don't care for water, but still, we could have taken him. Stop hit. Shouldn't do that. Should not do that. That fuzzball through the chest of water. Mage staff. Level up. Sweet. Level 22. Got some gold. Got some experience. Nice. Alright, well, I don't know that there's much else to work on yet. I was hoping he'd be able to get us a boat across there. Let's look at the old map. So yeah, it looks like we could probably go around that lake right next to us here and hit that port town and stuff over there. But I'm just not for sure. Let's check our gear. One more time. Still using the best weapon, it looks like. That would give us more armor, less attack. This would... That's interesting. I'm confused what it changes. Oh, armor. Interesting. 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 Alright. I think that's a good stopping point. We've got a lot accomplished. Well, and there's that crazy field, which we can circle around again like this. We could, you know, see what else is this way. What are we looking at? 40. Ooh. No, not quite to 40. 25. That's a little more up my alley. Real close anyway. I'll take a look at it. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Gotta level up my old axe. That may not be too bad. Look at all cool and stuff. That's really funny. Go to the quest board, huh? There's no quests. Go to the customer if you want to talk to him. Okay. So, he's not open for business yet, huh? Alright, well it was fun. Hope you're enjoying our playthrough of Cat Quest. I don't know if we'll beat the game. It just depends how things progress. If it takes much longer to really make progress, I don't know. I'll probably get bored of it before then, but I want to give it a little more time. And I want to see what happens, so we'll find out. Alright, hold on. I'm going to do my wrap up, and now... fight. Okay, well that's a good wrap-up point then. We'll see what happens when we continue our quest with cats. Until next time, it's been Crusader, and I am out.